junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go. Today we do something really special. Today I have my first perfume unboxing. Here is a perfume, and this is a logbook. And this is video number 14. I'm just writing here. Perfume unboxing. And I will also have in the next video, I will show you a life hack with my old stuff. I will show you permanent marker removal. Permanent marker life hack. Alrighty, so let's do it. Backstory. I heard about this perfume, and this is like a new brand, and they got it's launched with 8 different flavors, and I was buying the sample kit and tried everything out basically. Hey, this you have to imagine, this came in a box like this, or like a cube, and all of these little perfume spray things have been like in a paper holder. Alrighty, maybe I tried them all out. I have to say I know nothing about perfume before. And the only thing I got was this. Was also not using this, and this is now like real stuff, underground high quality perfume from Italy. And yeah, so here we go. There are different flavors. So this one is called Bangkok Shock, and Bangkok Shock was like a really nice scent for a room. So I know Royal Dubai was the one which smelled very good as a room scent. So a little bit confused right now. So then there was this Hakama. There were 2 like which had like Japanese names, and I guess I have to get things right now. So there were 2 Japanese ones. This is Hakama and this Kobe Gardens. And let me smell. I forget what was what, so I have to try out now. So Hakama. I put it just a little bit. Yeah, so Hakama was this one, smelled like a clinic. And this must be then the one who smelled like a... I think it was the other way around. No, okay. No, now I have it. So Hakama is the one which tastes like a pepper spray. And the Kobe Gardens has a very interesting oil in it. It smells like a clinic. So then this Bangkok Shock, I forgot it. I guess it tasted like flowers or something. Suits was a super boring cologne. Yeah. Silk Oud, I sort of forgot. And this one is like this one, Avenue de Montagne. This is something else. This is this is like an extreme perfume, very extreme freaky. It's like it's really funny. And the one I bought, which is so cool, is this Miami South Beach. And I bought the big pack, in which I will unbox right now. Okay. This is 175 euros. Okay. The box looks very good. I could try the silk oud again because I forgot how it smelled like. Yeah, Miami South Beach, and I guess everything I have to say is inside here. Hey, here's like the credits. It's like from German designer, made in Italy. Okay. Wow. Wow. Yes. Look at this. A soft close. Sort of. Sort of a soft close. Very. Didn't expect this, but okay. Here we got the bottle. This is a straightforward bottle, it seems. Yeah, okay. Cool. Cool, my friend. I like it. I like to touch it. Feels nice in the hand. Okay. Maybe I try out silk oud because I forgot how it smelled like, and then I spray one of these. Yeah. So what was the silk oud? They have like a description about like the smell description. Is it somewhere? On the samples there was a smell description, but it seems here it's a little bit not here. Yeah. Then I tell you how it smells like. But first of all, the name is Bangkok Shock. Silk oud. So oud sort of is a very expensive ingredient for perfume. Like, and there are different creations around oud or something. This is now silk oud. Okay. Okay. Yeah, oud is sort of. I haven't tried the 100% oud oil, but it's sort of an animalistic component. Yeah, I think this is sort of trivial. This is a trivial smell I didn't like. Or I forgot. I just forgot about it. And the cool one, the Miami South Beach, which I'm not now putting on. I'm also never sprayed with the sprayer. Let's see. Okay. Now it's all too much. Now I have 10 smells at the same time. This one is like rum, honey, and oud. I found this to be like the most masculine out of these 8 flavors or scents. Yeah. And the most extreme is Avenue de Montagne. So this I would. Where's Avenue de Montagne go? Avenue de Montagne I would take to like just to anger others. This one is absolutely crazy. This is a absolutely crazy perfume. Okay. Okay, my friends, there we had it. Have it. Perfume review. I don't think I will do more of them. I was interested in, because this company is very much related to Xerchov, and I was interested in Xerchov Erba Pura. But before I buy one bottle for many money, I need the sample kit. Let me know whether you want to learn more about my experience with perfumes. And yeah, thanks for watching, my friends. And tomorrow, because I don't want it. Oh, this oud smells very strong and animalistic. Yeah, because I didn't want to ruin all the air with the X, I do the X now and show you the life hack tomorrow.